Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today something simple for your pet lovers out there. And of course, I have two beautiful golden retrievers that I like and I love, and I just want to make sure that they get the best treatment that I can give them for their short lives that they have in Earth. And they have given them so much back to us these days during these COVID situations that we are based on right now. And they're pretty much the only social contact and playful interactions we have these days. So I want to bring something like this and help them out as they get older. We need to widen up some of the interests, some of the things, maybe two steps for them, rail system. I mean, whatever it takes. I mean, they have given me so much back that, of course, they deserve a lot. And this is for all your pet lovers, and we are one of them. So we're going to upgrade today. What we're going to do, we're going to purchase a new dog door. Let me talk a little bit about this dog door, right? New dog door, guys. But not just any ordinary dog door. You could get a cheaper one, but if you want to insulate your house better and have less of a thermal draft coming in, and or maybe keep the coldness out there, this is one way you can do it. This is a double-sided magnetic door. Right now, currently, I'm going to show you guys I have a single one. So on this case, we're going to actually embed it within the wall. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you before and after it works. So the way it's set up, let me open it up so you guys can see a little bit more about it and get you guys a little bit feedback on this. So if you're tempted to buy one of these, they're about 150, 140. There's two pieces to it. And if you can see PetSafe, it says, and this is one entrance right here. This is pretty much one entrance, and it's the same one like the one I currently have, but they're replaceable. So later down the line, this breaks off or it rips, you can always replace this with another system. And they do sell these, all right? So just make sure you know the measurements. So this will be one entrance. It could be either the outside or the inside, and then. But this has to be facing inside because these are where the covers actually slide in, if you guys can see it. This is where the actual cover slides in, locks it in. No animals come in or out. This pretty much secures the whole thing. Now, this is one face. The whole system comes with the manual. And, of course, they give you a cutout. This is very important. And the screws that you're going to require. And some plastic screws, too. And some locks to lock it in, all right? So, this is pretty important because if you're not familiar and you have a door, you purchase a door and you don't want to take your own personal measurements, don't worry about that. You could just paste this against it and cut the actual layout, and it gives you direction exactly where to cut it out and where to drill the holes, right? So it's a whole base on it, and this is great that they give you this. And if you could lose this, you could find the manual on their website too, and you could link it up. So just go PetSafe, and you could pretty much find a lot of these manuals in there, and you could reprint them again. So this is larger than 11 by 17, just to let you know. You'll probably need a plotter or pay a service to print this out. So that's another thing you can do. So we're going to put this on the side. And on this case right here, this is the actual metal piece in between the doors. And you can see it. It's like a plastic base. It's just a plastic cover. And here's the cover I was talking about, the slider. So you could purchase another slider and close the other side too, itself too. You push it and you lift, and the whole thing slides in and out. So on this case right here, if you guys can see it, it's a little more like cloth area, and this kind of to insulate the whole thing in here. And we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see how it works. So on this double-sided flap, basically the dogs come in, and if you can see, it has dual flaps right here. Dual flaps. Here's duals. This one's to insulate the whole house. Actually, this is facing out towards the door. And if you can see it, this will be the inside of the house. And this is the cover. You actually cover it up and lock it in from inside. So your dog comes in. It picks up the two of them. It's a little heavier, right? Just to let you know, it's going to be a little bit more heavier because of the other end. So you have this end and this end. You could remove one if you don't think it's... If you think it's overkill, you could just remove one of these and just have one single one. Down the line, if you want, you could even remove the padding itself by disassembling the screws and just coming apart. So on this case, if you want your dog not to come in, or you want to lock them inside, or there's a predator out there, if you live in the coyote area or any kind of places that you have some wild game, you could just pretty much cover it up. Slides in. locks in, and that's pretty much to pull it out the same way it came in, but you push this up. And your dog, this is unpenetratable unless you stab it or something breaking, but you would need to do some major damage on it. Now, a couple of screws you have to bolt down, of course, and they give you the instructions. Like I said, everything's embedded, and here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it matches the other one on the other side. This is pretty much going to be on the outside, and you can also buy another cover and put it in here in the same area. So not bad for a dog door if you're going to purchase something like this. Double magnetic doors, great for those animals. Keep the cold out, and insulate your house, keep the warm in. It's up to you. You can see this is Toby right here. We have this door here, this dual door, and it's a little dirty. It's Toby's old door, and he's gonna demonstrate. He demonstrates for us, Toby, how it works. He uses it a lot, and this is pretty much his bread and butter. So we're gonna place another one in this sunroom here, and it's gonna be located right here at this location, right next to the door. So we're gonna put that double door in here. So we're gonna have this still, because we're actually going to remodel this. We're gonna close this out and move it somewhere else, but we're gonna have a double door here for Toby's new entrance right here. So you're gonna see before and after. See, this is our old dark door, and this whole thing comes out, of course, and this is gonna stay for a bit, but it's only one single slide, if you guys can see one of them, and it has a magnet. This one is dirty. It has lasted maybe 15 years already, 10 years already with this door. It's been a long time with it, but unfortunately airflow comes in. We need to make sure we can secure them. That's why we're going to get that double door. So recommend you guys, getting that double door so it could lock. If one doesn't lock, the other one does. And of course, we're going to put it on this location here. I'm going to show you a before and after video. This is the inside of the structure where we're going to put the dog door. And go to the back. This is the outside for now. This is the outside right here. The dog door's right there. If you guys can see, the dog door is going to go there, and it's going to right beside my door. You can see we're doing more construction on it, trying to get that stucco going nice and neat. So we're going to do that, and we're going to put the dog door here. It's going to go right here in this entrance. We're going to go inside. And here's the dog door from the inside now, if you guys can see it. It's a lot better than before. All right, guys, this is Toby, and he's gonna demo today, be our demonstration coming in and out of that door. Now we completed the door construction on it. It goes hand in hand with my actual door. It's perfectly same color. It's gonna fix. So Toby today is gonna actually demonstrate how to go in and out of the door. Is that right, Toby? So Toby's he's a pretty large dog. Standing up, he's about 5.5 feet. He's really tall. Weight, it's around 60. He's not that heavy compared to the other guy. He's really light. But large dogs, large breeds, got this door just for him. So we're going to demo it. Close the door. Here's the door. We're still doing a lot of construction here, if you guys can see. Toby! Good boy, good boy. Come here, good boy. Look at that. At ease. He was a little hesitant at first, but he got through. And we're gonna go to the inside. See how he comes in. Come on, Toby. Comes in through here. Come on. Good boy. There he goes. It's fast. That guy's fast. He loves it. So if you guys like this stuff, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.